Hi, I'm Mel from Uppbeat, and today I'll be showing you how to create this I'm Carrying a Love with Me typography design using the Mesh tool in Adobe Illustrator. Alright, let's go! Alright, before we start, do subscribe to our channel so that we can grow as a bigger community and do more videos for you. And we'll also be doing some content videos, podcast videos in the coming months, and we hope that you will like those as well. So do subscribe and like our video and also comment what you want to see. Okay, let's go into the design. First up, we do the same. We have the color palette on top and the artboard with the color that we want. So let's type out the text. I'm carrying your love with me. This is a TikTok trend that's happening right now, one of the sounds that's trending. So using Draw White, which is our favorite font, as you already know. And we centralize the text and change the size and color. For this, we want to emphasize on the word love. We will make the love text bigger. And also we want to use the mesh tool to create like a wave effect for the text. So once we change the color, we select the text. We align to the middle of the artboard. We pathed it, Command Option 0 to path. And we select Direct Selection 2, select the bottom points and drag it down. So if you don't like what is dragged down, you can select the individual points and drag down. So now we're emphasizing on the word love. So we have dragged the lower points of the text to the bottom to stretch the text. And now we go to Object, envelope desktop, and make with mesh. So now we can adjust the row and columns. I've done this before in other videos where I use the envelope mesh as well. Using the envelope mesh, we can select the points and drag them all together. So let's select these 4 points and drag them to the right to create this wave effect. And for the other side as well, you can do this as well. You can do this individually or you can do this as a whole row. So it depends on what points you select at the moment. So now we have this wavy text. I don't like how close this V and O is together, so I'm going to click into the text and move it a little. So if you don't like the corners as well, you can ownself, click on the points and adjust the smoothness of it. Okay, now let's duplicate the text and write with me. So that's the complete phrase, I'm carrying a love with me. And let's group them and centralize it. So now I'm gonna centralize the text, but I can't because it's not pathed yet. So I'm gonna expand it so it'll be individual text and centralize to the center. And let's duplicate it and change the color to create a layering effect. And yeah, it's better. So now we're gonna change the background to a little gradient because gradient mesh always makes everything better. So if you want to know about gradient mesh, how to use gradient mesh, we do have a few videos previously that I've done up to show you the tutorial of doing gradient mesh step by step. So basically just select the points and change the color and drag the points. Very simple step to enhance your design overall aesthetics. I like this mint green that's all around, so I'm gonna just change the inside colors and not change the corner. Maybe a few of the corner as well. Yep. Change it to different colors if you like. So if you like this video, do remember to comment, like, subscribe, and to follow our social media as well. We always have new videos every day on TikTok. Okay, mostly every day. We try. Alright, just change the colors. Let's change the sides to a little bit blue so it doesn't look like only the middle is like blended with this gradient mesh color. Select the points at the side. I think pink looks good. What do you think? Let us know what you think on this design. So you can take as much time as you want to select the points, change the colors. You can use other colors as well, you don't have to use our colors. And this is how everything will look like. So if you do not like this color palette, you can, same thing, go to Pinterest or whatever design inspiration website you have and change the color palette altogether. It will still look as good as this. So this is it. Let us know what you think of the design in the comments below. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this typography design, which is super simple to do if you know the skills and the technique, and if you have good aesthetics, you can choose the right color. Yeah, follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and also visit our website. And drop us a DM or email if you know anyone or you need any help with branding design, creative services. We can help. And also, if you want to learn how to better your design skills, to like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. Till next time, bye!